This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joseph Harris. Gorgeous second floor unit in beautiful Pine Key Condominium Resort. Open spacious floor plan, large bedrooms. Screened lanai. Beautiful heated pool and clubhouse. Pictures posted are of a similar unit. Unit 203 will be getting stainless steel appliances on February 25, 2022, corian countertops in kitchen and bathrooms. New flooring throughout entire unit. Great rental income potential. An identical unit without all the upgrades just went under contract for in excess of $10,000 over asking. Place your offer today, these units are going fast. A short 10 minutes from downtown Fort Myers, this is an excellent location for commuters. Located along the Pine Island corridor, this is a beautiful small Key West style community of 56 units. Pine Key Condominium Resort is in a rapidly expanding area, with multiple healthcare facilities nearby and within 5 minutes of retail centers that include Target, Bealls, and